Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
You guys know her. She's amazing. She's brilliant. She's one of my favorites. I'll put her links down below. Go check her out, subscribe, show her some love. And today I have roped you in to helping me try some recipes.
When I saw pasta on the table, I was like, okay, I'm here.
Usually we tried kitchen gadgets, but lately I've been taking requests to try TikTok recipes.
Pasta, TikTok, I'm so in.
Also, go follow Justine on TikTok.
Oh, please, it's my new
She ticks
favorite.
and talks more than me. She's so funny. I love your TikTok.
Maybe we should make a TikTok today. I'll think of something for us to do. Is that brown sugar?
Yes, okay, so the first one that we're doing, I'm gonna pop it here on the screen. I've never heard of this before, so I'm really excited to see if this is a win or a fail. He makes dessert pasta.
Dessert and pasta in one?
I've had dessert pizza.
Me too.
Never had dessert pasta. Let's watch and we're gonna follow along. So he makes his pasta in the microwave.
Well, of course, why would you do it any other way?
With these recipes, the thing that drives me crazy, there's no measurements, there's no time. That's the one thing about TikTok recipes, they don't be giving me the information.
Yeah, we need the info. There's no info.
I don't have the plastic Tupperware he uses to make pasta in the microwave, but I do have a glass bowl. I have done this before, so we're just gonna have to do it this way. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna pour water in here.
Okay.
Just above the pasta itself.
Just above.
Yeah, just keep pouring. Let me take a look. Let me take a look.
How do you
You're doing
feel?
Great. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Oh, no, not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah, they're not quite covered yet. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. We're just gonna pop this in the microwave for 15 minutes.
Here we go.
And we're doing it on top of a plate, so if it bubbles or boils a little bit over, it will catch it. Quick tip, if you're making pasta in the microwave versus on the stove, you add 3 minutes to whatever the instructions are on the back. So if you're cooking pasta on the stove, you add an additional 3 minutes when you put it in the microwave. Microwave tips. And start. Well, we got 15 minutes. Let's make a TikTok.
Oh my God, we can make 400. Pasta chips is trending.
Pasta chips?
Yeah.
That looks delicious.
Whoa.
He puts them in the air fryer.
This is so hot.
It's hot, it's fresh, out of the microwave, and now there's only 2 ingredients we have to add. It seems really simple. He adds butter. Again, there's no measurement, but I'm eyeballing it. It looked like a lot of butter to pasta ratio. Threw in some butter.
Oh, we got to sprinkle.
Yes.
Do we sprinkle now while it's doing this?
Last step, he said to sprinkle on the downtown brown, which is brown sugar. Justine, how much do you think this is?
I don't know.
It's hard to say because his serving size is for 1. Ours is for 2. So I'm trying to double it.
Yeah, just get in there.
When do we stop? I mean, butter and brown sugar, 2 ingredients to the best chocolate chip cookies in the world.
Oh, a nude has flopped.
No! Oh no, I won't eat. I won't.
Yeah, we gotta.
Okay,
We're still cooking. We're cooking.
We gotta try this together. All right.
Oh, look, real saucy.
Okay, maybe too much butter, but that's okay. There wasn't a measurement again. And then, Justine, I'm gonna give you a scoopful here.
Give a scoop.
And let's take a taste test.
Wait. I think we're gonna add to it.
Little sugar bay. Okay. Someone else, please try it.
Someone else has tried.
We're gonna try it. Here we
It's
go.
Dripping with butter. There's probably 450 calories in 2 nudes.
So it's probably gonna taste delicious.
Yeah, for sure.
It's just.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
No, this is so good.
Wow. It's buttery, brown sugary pot. I mean, it's good.
This is not a nutritious
Wow.
meal.
No,
by any means.
I have never had dessert pasta. Pasta already to me is such a treat.
Yeah.
It's so many carbs. It's so delicious that I just would never even think to do this, but it almost tastes, because of the brown sugar, like a little bit of molasses in the brown sugar, it almost tastes like maple syrup. It looks like syrup. Okay, I'm gonna do one more bite, but
Yeah, me too. Just one more bite.
wow.
Just one more bite.
It's so good, but it can't be good for me.
No,
You know
it's
what
really,
I mean?
It's really good for you.
I'm gonna have to run a marathon after this.
Yeah.
There's no other option.
I'm gonna have to run 3. I'll see you later.
Justine hated it. It's a good recipe, but whoa, the sugar and butter. I mean, whoa. So I would consider the last recipe, the dessert pasta, a win, but I would say also eat sparingly. It is so sweet.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah, eat sparingly.
Yeah. Woo.
I took mine home.
Okay, so the next one, this is really savory, and this is really popular on TikTok. Because of this recipe, it's a feta cheese pasta recipe. The feta cheese got sold out in Finland because of this recipe blowing up.
I don't know if I believe it, but like, I mean, I kind of do.
So we are gonna be following this feta cheese pasta video right here and trying a bite. So to make it, we're gonna add tomatoes,
olive oil,
and salt and pepper. Here we go.
How much olive oil?
Dang it! Wait. She's pouring it from a measuring cup, but I can't see the measurement. I can't see it. I can't see it.
I think this one.
We're gonna try a third a cup. Oh yeah. You gotta move it around. Looking good.
Do you think we should add a little more?
Maybe a little bit.
I think a dash.
Because hers fills up the bottom of the pan.
Like just a dash.
Okay, I'll be salt, you be pepper.
Okay.
We're starting a band.
I love pepper. Like I usually put so much on my eggs that I don't even taste the egg anymore.
I love salt. I mean, you can't stop me.
Is that enough?
She uses her hands, but we're gonna be using a spoon.
No.
There we go.
Look at that.
Love it. Now this is the part we've all been waiting for. We're gonna put that nice big block of feta cheese right in the middle. Let me see how she does it.
Just jams it in there.
We're gonna take it, we're gonna place it right in the middle. And she doesn't say it, but on camera she puts a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt, a little bit more olive oil. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 400 degrees and bake for
35 minutes.
Oh, a time.
35 minutes. I love that she gave us a bake time. Thank you so much. Love you, appreciate you. Woo, girl. Put her in there.
Bye.
35 minutes and counting.
Yes. Okay, while it's baking, we're just gonna make some pasta here over on the stove. Justine, can you help me clean up?
Sure. This looks so good.
I just took this out of the oven. It's still sizzling, just like in her video. And now we're gonna add a little bit of fresh garlic. If you wanna dump that in there.
Just dump.
Fresh basil. Again, she didn't say measurements, so we're just guessing. I'm trying to eyeball it based on what she did. Justine, I'd like you to do the honors. Here's the spoon. Mix it
Just
together.
mix it. That's
it? Yeah, just mix it up.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Keep the shape of the tomatoes, but really break up that feta. Work it in, you know? Oh, this looks delish. Okay, we pour cooked pasta over the top and continue to mix. So I got some over here.
I'll just jam my spoon.
Okay, here you
Oh, wow. We didn't even have to do anything.
It jumped right. Oh, no.
Wow.
Now we're supposed to keep mixing it up, Justine.
Oh, I'm trying my hardest.
Oh, no, the burner is still on.
I come to your kitchen and I ruin everything. I turn you from a professional baker into this.
It smells so good. It
really does.
This is, okay, too much pasta.
No, never enough.
Wow.
I'm so happy.
Wow.
I didn't know that when I was coming over, we were going on an Italian vacation.
Oh, well, let me be your guide. I'm just gonna. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
just
fine.
taste our creation here.
Oh, it's hot.
It's really hot.
Oh, God.
Really hot, really hot.
Bro, this is so good.
Oh my gosh.
This is like an Italian cuisine.
Delicious. Blueberry agrees. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. This is so good. It belongs in a restaurant. Even without measurements, this one was easy and delicious.
What's next on the menu?
More pasta.
Love that answer.
Okay, now this next recipe is from the pasta queen herself.
Oh, then it's gotta be good.
Literally on TikTok, the pasta queen. She has a beautiful accent. I love her, and apparently this dish is also delicious. Today, we're making Cashew Pepe. Cashew Pepe?
Pepe.
Cashew e Pepe.
I'm
I'm
good.
Italian and I can't even say this. So we're gonna be following this video right here. The pasta queen looks so good.
It looks incredible.
Here we go. Okay, here's step one. She said it's to die for.
Oh, I don't wanna die.
And then she does this great hair flip. So we need to hold an ingredient and do a hair flip. She holds her cat, but just like holds, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah. And make it like really cool.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ingredients. We're winning.
Toast the peppercorns.
Okay. I've never toasted peppercorn.
Me either.
Like, that's fancy.
How much?
Yeah.
Oh,
let
we
me
don't
check
know.
The video.
We don't
Let
know.
me check the video. Like about that much.
Do you like peppercorn?
I do, and I like cheese, so I think I might love this pasta dish. And I'm
How do you-
Italian, so I feel like all these things are in my favorite. I love this.
I'm just a person.
Okay, this is perfect. Oh, we gotta add a little water. Wait. We got some pasta over here. It's almost done. I'm gonna scoop a little bit of water. Like this. This is how she does it, like that.
Okay, get that TikTok. See what she's doing next. What do we do next?
Okay,
We've got hot boiling peppercorn.
Gotta make our pasta. She said do it in low water so we're gonna get more starchiness. We're gonna scoop this starchy water into our cheese.
Oh, starchy cheese water.
Now she does 1 scoop, but I think we need 2 because we have double the amount of pasta, it looks like, and double the amount of cheese. Oh yeah, mix it up. Let's make that cream. And then you know what? When you're doing that, I'm going to drain our pasta and then we put it in that pan. And Justine, she uses a whisk.
Oh, I'm doing everything incorrect.
No, you're doing it
Oh,
right.
I have
You're doing
cheese on my belly.
Oh, here, that's hot. Okay, I need mitts. Okay, sorry, Justine.
Oh,
coming through
it's
here, coming
splashing
through here.
everywhere.
Oh.
It's a little chunky.
Oh.
Give me some more
I
of that
don't think
juice.
this is hot enough. I think this needs to be hotter.
It's okay. There we go. Look
we
at
need
that.
some more starchy water here.
I
We
think
need
we're
some
good.
pasta water. I'm gonna go drain.
The peppercorns are getting real toasty.
Okay, come in.
Get that pasta in
Come
there.
in hot.
Get it in there.
This is a nice heat. All right, now we're gonna take the pasta. We put it in the pan.
Do I put the cheese in there now?
Yeah, you put it on
Now.
top of the pasta. Perfect. Let me just move this over here.
Oh, I don't think I mixed it enough. It's real chunky.
Oh, it's chunky.
I think it'll melt a little more, maybe.
Okay, let's see what she does. Use the tears
of
of
the
the pasta
pasta
gods. I don't have any of those, but it can have my tears because I'm crying and I messed this recipe up. To our defense, there's no measurements.
Okay, but this looks good.
It's hard to mess up pasta, which we might have. Let's see how she does this. Wow.
Oh, that's creamy.
Wow. Okay, Justine, let's try it.
Can you
here.
do that little twirl?
Yeah, let me get the ladle.
Here we go.
Yeah, get a bunch of it on there.
Wait, do we want more? I'm gonna get as much as I can.
Yeah,
on
get
here.
a big twirl.
I'm gonna get the whole pan in here.
I feel like my spaghetti is way thicker than hers too. I wonder if she used angel hair. Did she use a thin nude and we used a thick nude?
You know, I like a good nude no matter your size.
Oh my gosh, I think she used an angel nude. We've messed this all up.
I'll just leave the fork in there.
You leave it in
Let's
there
leave
like
it
it's
there.
part of the decor. Oh no, we're supposed to add extra sauce, but hers is really creamy and ours is really watery.
That's fine. Just dump it on there.
Okay, so
look at that.
she like pours the extra sauce on the top. Maybe some more.
Yeah, just get
It's a lot of pasta. Oh, yep, a little bit more pepper. She does that too.
just
Boom.
just subpar.
Gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Well-
Yeah.
Do I take the middle fork? It's gonna mess it all up.
No, that's fine. Yeah, just grab that middle fork out of there.
But it's holding it all together.
It is, but you know what?
I can't-
Sometimes you need to break walls down to
I'm gonna
advance
ruin it. I'm
further
gonna ruin
in.
it. Oh.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, let's try it. I'm just seeing so many mistakes here. How do we do? Even though we did so many things wrong, it's so good. The recipe's that good that even if you mess it up, you still win. I love this recipe, and I'm gonna play with it more.
Even like the chunky cheese that we messed up, like it's like a little added goodness.
I would suggest angel hair pasta. I think I would have done starchier water,
uh-huh.
mixed with the cheese, and really got it creamy and thin. And then we would have been perfect here. Justine hates it.
I'll be in the corner.
Now, we've got to take a sip of coffee waffy.
So we were on our phones looking at TikTok, and I saw that
Yes.
pasta chips today was trending the day that we were filming this.
Boom. Okay.
So what do we
right
do?
here.
We freaking make the chips.
I was like, I got an air fryer. Boom! Let's do this. We're gonna be making these pasta chips with rigatoni, but in these videos, they make them with all sorts. They make them bow tie, they make rigatoni.
Yeah, like whatever kind of nude you've got, like you can do it.
So we're gonna be using this one. Let's follow.
Cook the pasta.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of seasoning. Yeah,
Olive
just a
oil?
little bit. Give me a drizzle. Just like a little drizzle. Just a little. That's good.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do a little bit of the cheese. She does a couple scoops. No measurement, but I saw her. And then a little bit of spice. We got some Italian spice over here. Here's a big spoon. Mix that puppy up.
It's
Wow.
almost like we are
Just have
chefs.
a pasta salad right now.
Maybe one of us is.
You're not a bad chef yourself.
You know, I just don't like to do anything.
Okay, now we're gonna air fry it. Air fry, what are the instructions? Let's see if they gave it to us.
Air fry at 400 degrees for 10 minutes.
We gotta put it on 400 degrees. 10 minutes. Toss halfway through. Okay, now we gotta load up the pasta, scoop it in here, or dump it in. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, get it and like, try to spread it out on the bottom to be all even. Okay, here we go.
410 minutes, we flip it 5.
Okay, we got this. Sir, hello Siri.
So
what
wait.
do you say to Siri again?
Hey, set a timer for 5 minutes. They also made a sauce on that TikTok, but like, I don't need a sauce.
You want hot marinara?
Oh, you have that?
There's
The
no-
timer's done!
Okay, I got this.
We gotta flip!
Flip them. Flip them.
Oh, saucy
Ooh,
boys.
smells good though. I can't tell which ones I flipped and which ones I haven't.
That's okay, no
They're
one
flipped.
knows. They look flipped to me.
There we go. There we go.
5 more minutes and we feast. Oh!
Oh! Okay, here's the moment.
Put your peepers in there!
Yeah, okay, we did it. This is,
Oh, did we just decook the pasta?
I hope this does not taste al dente. I hope these actually taste like potato chips. We're just gonna wait a second for these to cool down. This one's real cooked.
Yeah, that is a crispy critter.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
That looks nice.
Ooh,
This
hot.
has a little cheese
Ooh,
on it.
Hot.
Oh, did you hear that crisp? Oh gosh, it's boiling!
Yeah, I would say the bake time is real. The cook time, great.
Let's
Okay?
do a little
Or
experiment
the fry
before.
time.
It's very crispy. I'm not gonna eat that one now.
Here we go. I'm gonna do a little dip.
Oh, okay. Hear me out. This is like if I were to forget that I left my pasta out like last night for dinner and I'm like, man, I really want some pasta for breakfast. And I put it in the microwave. That's what this is.
Do you think it's because our pasta is so big?
I just think this might be what it is. Maybe if we crisp them a little longer.
I'm gonna give it a second shot.
Me too. Yeah, sample.
I do like the seasoning and I like the flavoring. It's just the texture. It's like this weird
It's like
chewy.
Yeah.
It's a mix between crunch and then some parts are chewy. You need a sauce because it's dry. A lot of people on TikTok love these, but
They're liars.
I'm not in love with it.
No.
I'd rather have pasta or chips, not a pasta chip at this point with what we've created.
It needed to be, I
Actually,
think, cooked a little longer. So maybe even 15 minutes. I don't know. Hard to say.
maybe we needed a bow tie nude.
Yeah.
All right, that does it for Trying TikTok Recipes Pasta Edition. A big thank you to my friend Justine for helping me try all these recipes today.
Oh, really? It was no help at all.
Which one was your favorite? Do you have a favorite?
Definitely the feta one, because I feel like that's
Same.
something that like I feel like I would order at a restaurant and be like, I'm going back there. The dessert one was good. I mean, you're eating butter and sugar, so yeah, of course it's good. The peppercorn massacre, whatever we made,
Cheese pepper
it's
one.
actually pretty good.
I agree with everything you're saying. That was my favorite. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting this video. This was so much fun. Please let us know in the comments down below what other types of TikTok recipe videos you would like to see us try, because these are so fun. I'm loving these.
It's really
We're
fun.
finding some winners.
Yeah.
And if you guys enjoyed these videos, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or there.
over here.
And go check out our TikToks, specifically Justine's TikTok. We just posted a really great one over there.
We worked really hard on it.
We also filmed a fun video over on Justine's channel. I'll put a link down below. Go check it out.